There we go. This is July 16th, right? And what? Oh, about 11:30 a.m. And yeah, done with my lunch and then poke by the pound. And oh yeah, all these parking right over here. These are all available. You can park any one of these spots all around here. Okay, and right there's Nimitz Highway. Okay, so yeah. Since I ate, now I'm gonna do some walking. I'm gonna walk back to A-1 Auto Repair. At my tire getting repaired. Those guys are pretty good. So right here is poke by the pound. Oh yeah, Matsuzaka Tei takeout. Yep, that's good. Oh wait, I'm getting a call. Yeah, that was a call I just got. They said, yeah, all fixed, ready to go. Yeah, it turned out that yesterday as I was driving, after picking them up, I drove on Nimitz and then going onto the freeway, right? So just before entering the freeway on the right side, something I bumped. Bump! Yeah, on the front tire. Yeah, it was kind of like, I actually physically felt it, you know. So there was something, and then it didn't flat out right away. Yeah, but this morning when I got home, then tire was okay. But yeah, this morning, shoot, I looked and the tire was flat. So I put some air in and then it just kept going flat. So there was a hole. So I'm thinking, yeah, it was from yesterday. Oh well, so I'm walking up Kali Street. Yeah, this is my exercise. Walking back along and poke by pound to A-1 Auto Repair. Alright. Oh yeah, we're pretty close, so I figured I'd take a walk and then have a meal there, since I didn't have anything this today. And yeah, ended up having a good meal. So yeah, right here, this is Kalani Street. Yeah, turning left onto Kalani Street and then alright, hey, up ahead, you see where it says brake, big signs on the right, up ahead, yeah, that's A-1 Auto Repair. Alright, so I'm getting my walking done after eating. Okay. Wow. Oh, they got sandbags over. Oh yeah, over here is the flood zone too. When it rains pretty hard, then yeah, when there's some good enough rain, the whole place floods over here. Yeah, a lot of people, they get their sandbags and they get it all ready. So I think sometimes when I come for repair, tune up and stuff like that, then this whole place flooded and I gotta dodge around. Alright. Okay. Oh, there we go, crossing the street right here. And almost there. Alright, A-1 Auto Repair. Yeah, they got the big brake sign. Okay, got my walking done and yeah. So alright, okay, so right here, kind of give a little look around and yeah, they do a pretty good job, right? Yeah. So right here, A-1 Auto. Alright, so there you go. Oh. Alright, so I say thank you for watching.